Come with us to a place where the sky kisses the earth, where the majestic Himalayas stand guard over emerald carpets, and where every breath is a symphony of silence and wonder. Time slows to listen. Welcome to Bagji Bhugyal. Bagji is nature's very own poetry, written in soft grass, bright blossoms, and endless sky. Camping at Bagji Bhugyal offers one of Uttarakhand's most magical alpine experiences. Journey begins through ancient forests, where sunlight filters through canopies of green forest, and then they appear, the giants of the Himalayas, majestic, silent, eternal. The Trishul Massif glows like a crown in the morning sun. Chaukhambha towers like a silent guardian of the Garhwal. Bagji Bhugyal is not just a place. It's an experience, a breath of the wild, a hymn of the Himalayas, waiting to be heard. This is also the land of quiet lives, of shepherds, of sacred peaks, and of stories carried on the wind for centuries. Delicate wildflowers paint the meadows in hues of purple, yellow, and white, adding a touch of fragility to this immense landscape. Here, time seems to slow down. Worries fade with the distant horizons. All that remains is the sheer joy of being present. Immersed in the embrace of nature, the Himalayas inspire awe, and Bagji Bhugyal offers a space to breathe it all in. The air is pure, the silence profound, broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind. Bagji is more than just a trek. It's an experience that nourishes the soul. It's a chance to witness the raw, untamed beauty of the Himalayas and to find peace in the heart of nature's masterpiece. There lies a village, Gez, far from the rush of the world, the stone houses, with slate roofs and wooden balconies, whisper stories of tradition, and prayer flags flutter gently, and the calls of distant shepherds echo across the valleys. Life here is quiet, slow, and deeply connected to the rhythms of the earth. Gez will leave you with a memory of peace that stays long after you've left.